There you go, everyone. How we doing, guys? Welcome to the live stream. This is Oscar Ramos, and we are going to have a fun time today. How's it going, everyone? It's 7 p.m. Central Time, and what I'm about to do right now is pretty much go over the things that are happening, resonating with Ethereum upgrade. We're also gonna take a look at the AMP token Flux partnership launch that is gonna happen in a couple of days from now, and we're also gonna take a look at some new hot altcoins that you guys been posting in the chat about check this one, check the other one. I have some bots that are bugging my comments saying to check DBA. And I have no idea what DBA coin is, but I'm sure those are bots because I just don't know why they're just posting overkilling, the comment sections down below, but I think they're bots. You guys help me out if you see them. As always, guys, tell me how my audio is, tell me how the signal is. Just want to make sure things are right before I actually get started. And I'm seeing the comments right now, and we have Email Cook. What's up, Email Cook? What's up, buddy? Howdy. Good to see you, buddy. Thank you so much. R. Rodriguez, I messaged the Flux thing in your last video. LOL. R. Got a lot of things in my mind, but I really admire the followers, the community. Thank you guys so much. Honestly, you cannot keep me on track sometimes, right? But audio good. Thank you so very much. But yeah, we're just gonna wait a little bit more so we get a couple more folks here, and we're gonna go ahead and get started because I do have some cool updates for you and this space to let you guys go wild in the comments down below. Just mingle, talk to different people that are out there. You guys are crazy, are awesome. And I'm gonna give you my latest because I've also received a lot of concerns saying, is the price of AMP token gonna continue dipping? Is the price of AMP token gonna continue going up? And it is not the first time that I provide my advice, which is, by the way, non-financial advice as always. But yeah, that's what it is. So I'm gonna go ahead and get and check if my YouTube is actually live right now, which I know it is, but on my device, just make sure, as you know me, that I have to make sure things are right with the audio and everything. But other than that, how's your Tuesday going, guys? It's Tuesday evening. We'll have a good time here for a couple of hours. No rush as always, never rush. And please do something for me, guys. Write down the coins that you want me to review. I'm gonna do that after I cover Ethereum and after I cover AMP token. I'm gonna do that for you. I know you guys want to know couple more coins. We'll go ahead as a community and check them out. Absolutely. And for those who already know me, I got my water right here next to me. So yes. Okay, so typical YouTube that is not showing me my live stream, but it's all right. We're not mad at all. Well, I hope your Tuesday is going well. After all, it's Tuesday, not even the middle of the week, but gotta continue working, shall we? Anyway, let me go ahead and read the comments. Hey, yes, will we reach 4 cents? I'm gonna cover that pretty soon. I follow your Patreon, like your activity. Thank you, Cook. Yeah, I've noticed. Thank you so much. And Cook, you probably can give some insights to all the people, but basically I'll just give you my updates more privately. And if you guys have any questions, you can always reach out to me. But anyway, let's go ahead and get started. My name is Oscar Ramos, everyone. This is a channel where we talk about stocks, Roth IRA, and cryptocurrencies. Today, right now in this live stream, I'm going to be going over Ethereum upgrade, cryptocurrency updates, and AMP token. And at the end, I'll put the new altcoins that you guys want me to review. And please go ahead, like, subscribe, and turn on those notification bells. We'll have a fun time. Thank you very much. Alrighty. Try lemon in that water. There you go. Oh, yeah, I know, right? Yes, I just drink so much water. It's insane, to be honest with you guys. I don't know. And I changed from purified water to alkaline water, which is still purified water, but I like alkaline water. Delicious, baby, delicious. Alrighty. Review X Infinity SLP token. Okay, so go ahead and write that down, and we'll go back to those ones. Okay, so everyone, let's go ahead and get started. With I mean, you're looking at the price of AMP token. Let's go ahead and first get started with Ethereum, because I do want to make sure that's clear on your mind to my community. I'm gonna go ahead and open this article. So take a look at this, guys. Let's see. There it is. There's my live stream, finally. So the Ethereum upgrade that will destroy coins is happening August 5th. Here are 4 things you need to know. I'm going to go over this because I believe it's important for you to understand, especially for us as the I'm Talking community, as the cryptocurrency community, because in the end, you also want to stake, you want to continue your investments online, and this is going to affect you, all right? Hey, Montana, welcome. Ryan, how you doing, guys? Welcome, welcome. PSM King, Oscar, do you remember me when I with the 1.2 million coins? Yes, PSM King, welcome so much. Thank you so much for coming by. Jesus is God, how you doing, buddy? Welcome. Alrighty. So when it comes to Ethereum, guys, as you know, is one of my favorite coins. And here's the watch list. You're seeing it right now. Ethereum rose all the way to 2,600, leaving Bitcoin in the rails, right? And Bitcoin went to 40, 40 plus, 42, but then stopped right there. AMP token went to 8 cents due to the Binance.us. Now it's back at 6 cents. So I'm going to go very in depth with AMP token. So bear with me. When it comes to Ethereum right now, what's going to happen on the 5th, not on the 4th, because let's go ahead and take a look at this. This anticipated event, which I already covered as well in one of my videos, it was scheduled to be on the 4th, but it was delayed slightly, okay? I mean, some technical difficulties, we don't know. This change is known as the Ethereum Improvement Protocol 1559. And it's also called, you know, like the London hard fork. So here are the 4 main things that you guys want to know. The EIP 1559 aims to make transactions fee more predictable. And that's cool because I like this, the way they put it right here, which is fees are highly volatile. And for those who are staking AMP token, you know that, I mean, once you want to stake AMP token tonight or in the morning, it really depends because sometimes it's super expensive. And I mean, I didn't know that back when I was just earning my Gemini Earn interest. But when I try to stake, oh boy, like $12, $18, like in my video on how to stake, it was $20. That's insane, right? So hopefully on the 5th of August, when this Ethereum upgrade happens, we're going to see a slight difference on the AMP token if you're trying, you know, to stake. So that's pretty cool. Okay. Let's go ahead and take a look at all of this. It will destroy, number 2, it will destroy coins and may boost Ether. So what they're doing is they're going to burn some Ether. And when people say about burning cryptocurrency, that reminds me to Shiba Inu. Because when it comes to Shiba Inu, a lot of people, you know, I mean, if you didn't know, the former Ethereum co-founder or the Ethereum co-founder, right? Vitalik, he had some Shiba Inu and he burned some of them. And well, that was insane. And that's how I remember about burning, right? But if it's some Ethereum, it's going to be burned. And which, if there's a cryptocurrency that's burning, like it's gonna be burned to reduce the amount, because if you didn't know, Ethereum is not limited, has an unlimited amount. Every year you have a set amount of Ethereum to mine, to use, circulated, and which that's okay. But this upgrade, it's cool, and it's gonna reduce the amount of Ethereum, which is gonna typically increase in price, boost Ether. I like it. I like it. So I would recommend for me as well to get some Ethereum as soon as possible, right? That will be cool. But of course, also on the other hand of the scenario, buy the rumors or the news, act carefully, guys. Maybe after the news happen, we have an Ethereum dip. That can always happen. So that's 2. 3, transaction fees won't necessarily be cheaper. So it's saying that, we may see the transaction fees for some, let's say if you're trying to build a DApp, a decentralized application on the Ethereum network, that may not be cheaper, right? As you are already used to. But for us that we're trying to stake, for example, AMP token, or you're trying to stake Cardano or so, I'm really interested to see what the change is going to be in that one. Cody Bennett, a member in the chat. How you doing, Cody? Que pasa, bro? What's up? Welcome to the chat, everyone. We're talking about Ethereum right now. We'll go and transition to AMP token in a bit. But I just want you guys to understand this, that's happening on August 5th. It was delayed. It was supposed to happen, well, tomorrow, because tomorrow is August 4th. So just kind of giving you some heads up. We have PSM Kim. I'm up to 1.6 million now. PSM Kim, you rock, man. That's incredible, dude. Honestly, I really want you to continue, being rich. Why not? Jesus is God. Okay, I got to 200 Bitcoin. Doesn't make a difference. Jesus is God. You really have 200 Bitcoin. No kidding. You're kidding, right? Mr. Hi, Oscar, my buddy. What is going on? Who's loading up an AMP? There's another interesting one, Fetch. Well, Mr. I mean, as we typically talk about AMP, it is volatile, not the way that we're used to, like with Dogecoin or so, but it is the good volatile when you load up, when it's dead, bloody red, and then I mean, like in today's video, right? I posted a video earlier today explaining the difference between trading and staking. I knew that most of you guys know the difference. Like, we know it's nothing that difficult to understand, but I did it for the beginners. I did it for people who are always asking me privately, so they will enjoy that beginners level video. But anyway, that's cool. We got more people, Montana. There you go, guys. So let's go continue. Here's one important thing, guys. Bigger changes are coming to the Ethereum network. This upgrade coming in a couple of days is small compared to Ethereum 2.0. Why? Because Ethereum 2.0, it's gonna move the proof of work of Ethereum to proof of stake. If you don't know, the proof of work that we have right now is you need to mine. You need to use rigs of highly expensive computers and CPUs. And don't ask me because I'm not a technician, right? But it's expensive to mine typically Ethereum or Bitcoin. But in my case, staking will be incredible. And right now, I do own some Cardano, and I watched a video from BitBoy Crypto, and he said that if I wanted to stake Cardano, I could join one of his pools. So I'm pretty interested to learn that. If you know how to stake Cardano, let me know, because I'm gonna be very interested to learn how to stake Cardano. I know it's not that difficult, right? But I just haven't looked at it yet. Cool. Cody Bennett, 6 cents, the new low. Well, we'll see, Cody, right? Absolutely. So this is what I'm saying, right? Look, an overhaul of network's entire infrastructure that developers hope will be completed by early 2022. So Ethereum 2.0 hopefully done by early 2022, everyone. That'll be amazing. That'll be really good. I'll be very happy to see the Ethereum 2.0 working properly by 2022. Like, there's no rush at all. I'm not kicking my head in the wall, like wanting Ethereum 2.0 right now. No, it's fine. I think it's great loading up right now on Ethereum, and then we'll see what happens. I'm also interested to see what's going to happen with Ethereum. Like, are they going to give us Ethereum 2.0 by default, like all the brokers? I think that's a question I have, and I'm going to be finding the answers and bringing them to you, everyone. So yeah, Ethereum 2.0 will see a network change from proof of work system to a proof of stake system, and bam, that'll be cool. So in all, everyone, when it comes to Ethereum upgrade, things are happening, and things will really change for us as a crypto community. If we take a look at Ethereum right now price, and we'll take a look at the 1 year, this is what happened, right? And I enjoyed that bull run that we had early in May, because I was one of the ones who were buying in April and in March and in February some Ethereum. And when I saw that price of $4,000 in May, that was insane, everyone. But now we're back to that, I would say, medium level. This was kind of pretty crazy. But of course, do have to remember that if it wasn't for China banning Bitcoin, I think we would have been kind of closer to the Bitcoin stock to flow model. And we've covered the Bitcoin stock to flow model in the previous live streams and videos. And at this point in time, Bitcoin is projected to be $80,000+, guys. So I think of course the China banning and some other countries restricting, and the USA regulating. So you see all these different barriers for cryptocurrencies to really explode and go out beyond. I think that's what's really pushing back this thing. And as Cody Bennett says, just be patient, hold all the way. There you go, Cody. Well said, my man. So that being said, that's Ethereum, everyone. And that's for us to kind of get warm up for what's happening with Token, baby. So let's go ahead and come here and bam. I'm going to go ahead and drink some water. But what you're seeing on the screen right now, guys, is the year-to-date Token. We're looking at 6 point, what is that? Because I'm a little blind here. It's 6 cents, like 6 cents. That's pretty cool. So I'm going to tell you my thoughts on Token price. Leave all the questions in the chat, everyone. Let's go. Oh, yes. Love the water. Alrighty. I'm going to go ahead and catch up with some of the comments. Lots of changes coming in the crypto world over the next 6 to 9 months. Positive change. That's true, Cody. Mr. Oscar, what's your personal opinion on staking? Would you say it's better to do so on Gemini or Flexa? Mr. Staking 100% better on Flexa. Flexa is king. Flexa. That's pretty much what I said in my video today. When you do, let me see. I'm not gonna show it, but anyway, when you do, you guys are seeing at the price right now. When you stake on Flexa capacity, and this is something I've learned, this is kind of funny. This is something I learned from the Token group on Facebook. Kudos to them. When you stake on Gemini Earn, right? Well, that's not staking even. That's just earning interest, right? That's you're lending, you're giving your money to Gemini, and they're doing whatever they want with your money. In exchange, they give you some money, right? Via the rewards 1.78%. But Flexa capacity is what rules. You're actually integrating your tokens to the pool, and it's working for the betterment of Flexa capacity. So that's what you want to do, mister. Great question. There you go. You can stake Cardano on Bitshare platform. Okay. There you go, Scott. Thank you so much for that. I'll check that out. Appreciate it. Night. Wood69. What's up, buddy? Dodge kicking. 1H. I'm excited to be in Token. Welcome, Juan. Welcome aboard. Please go ahead and like, subscribe to the channel. Everyone support the cause. We're reaching out new heights. So turn on those notification bells, everyone. Everyone, thank you. Thank you very much. We have Crypto Mike right here in the house. How's it going, Crypto? Alrighty. So let's go ahead and take a look at this. We have a good chart here. Look at the RSI right now. Mid-band, guys. Mid-band. It's 50, like clear crystal 50. What does that mean? Well, that means that either it can continue going down, it can start coming back up. Typically, if you're seeing the screen right now, when we reach the middle band, it continues dropping harshly or slowly but surely, which this one is the most painful one because we have to wait a long time to realize a new support, which that kind of that kind of sucks, right? I prefer something like this when it drops rapidly. Then I can make a decision much faster, because if I have something like this, and you can see the price, guys, I'm not lying. You can see the price, right? Like it's harsh drop or slight drop. Which one you want? I prefer the harsh, rapid drop. Then I can make a decision much faster, right? This kind of brings me back to stocks. But anyway, um, my personal non-financial advice recommendation for me right now, I'm greedy, guys. I am willing to wait. I'm not rushing, but I'm still greedy to find the best price. I also want to say, now that I have the floor, that there's some comments in my videos that say, well, doesn't even really matter if you're holding for the long term. If you buy at 7 cents, at 5 cents, at 4 cents, at 3 cents, at 10 cents, at 11 cents. And my answer to them is, I agree with you. I agree with you, because yes, I understand. Like if you're holding this beauty for years to come and you're trying to find the best price every single time, you're not going to get it every single time. I agree. And for those who are watching and who maybe feel the need of always find the best price for your AM token or whatever cryptocurrency you have, my response to you is take it easy. Take it easy. Why? You and I will never really get the best price all the time, because we have amazing lives to live. We're busy. There's so many other things more important that I'm talking that I can tell you. So if you find yourself in a position like this, that's great. Okay. That being said, I'm gonna go ahead and show you the 4-hour chart, because that's pretty important. A lot of people use this chart. Take a look at this chart now. If I follow the 4-hour chart, it tells me that it's time to buy. And a lot of people use this chart. It's what they like to use, and it's very popular chart. We still see the 9 cents from Amazon in the last 2 weeks. We still see that the 21-day exponential moving average, which in stocks, you use the 21-day exponential moving average to always buy below the line. I'm not adding the simple moving averages because I don't want to kind of mess my charts right now, but just take a look at this. That's going to be the blue line is let me just kind of verify if it is. Yes, the blue line is the MACD. So when the blue line is below the signal, that's a good indicator to entry a position, right? Start a position. When you see this beauty touching the lower band of the RSI, that's typically the good entry for you to start buying your stuff. That's cool. So in the 4-hour chart, it's pretty much telling me, begging me to start a position. But I'm gonna tell you, even want to go to the core of AM token. Let's go to the 1 day. Let me see. No, what's the 1 minute? There you go. There you go. Here it is. Right here, guys. So you're seeing on the screen right now, right about here, today finally reached 5 cents couple hours ago. And this chart that you're seeing right now, it's a minute chart. So we reached 5 cents right about here. Let me go ahead, about here. There you go. I'm going to change the color to I'm going to do this one so you see it better. Oh no, that's, I think, worse. Purple. There you go. That purple. That'll be better. That was 5 cents. Super high 5 cents. So it bounced. That price bounced. But guess what, guys? The price is coming back down now. So the price was rejected and now it came all the way up. You see this blue line that I have drawn here? This was my support, and it broke the support, came back down to 5 cents, and that was another support, and came back up. So it's coming back down. So I'm excited. I'm excited to see that, in my opinion, the price of AM token will more than likely continue dipping. And there's another news that I'm going to tell you right now. Jesus is God. Hey Oscar, what are your thoughts on Chainlink? I got in today, went to 13. See it 10x. Chainlink is another one that I do want to start a position too. I agree. And when I see it at a discount, I'm gonna be buying Chainlink, and I want to do more research on that one. But I've heard good things. That's a good cryptocurrency. Jesus is God, very good one. Hey Craig, welcome. Good to see you, buddy. Good to see you. Juan Mendes, hey buddy, how you doing, Juan? There you go. So that's, I think, one important thing for me to tell you, everyone. We reached 5 cents, and if you see a couple of my thumbnails before in my videos, I've told you that we were gonna be reaching 5 cents. It is what it is. 5 cents, everyone. 5 cents. Edward Hernandez, I just lost my house by investing AMP token. I feel you. I feel you. No way. That's insane. You really. Well, I hope your home, it's a beautiful home. I hope. That's insane, buddy. I do like to see at the minute chart, kind of gives you a tick by tick. It's not the tick by tick, but it's something close to that. And you're seeing right now the price at 0.601. So it's happening. It's coming back to 5 cents. And well, to give you the ugly truth, it could come down to lower than that. And I've also seen a lot of comments, that they want it to be 4 or so. The reality is that this is one thing that I want to leave very clear. Let me go back to the year to date. You're seeing right now on the screen my price prediction by the end of the year for AMP token, as I have it in many of my descriptions on the videos, and I've been telling you for a long time, it's about 15 to 20 cents. But guess what? We don't really have too much time for the end of the year. Yeah, we have like a quarter and a half, right? There's not really too many months left for AMP token to do one thing. We really need to see AMP token pumping and coming up and doing, a better good job when it comes to putting a new price. What I'm happy about is that we're not even close to 3 cents or 4 cents, but we are close to 5 cents now. So as Anonymous is saying, I think finding the best deals and just taking a look at it, just maybe the end of 2021 won't be enough time to see some 15 to 20 cents, but I think we'll have to be patient. We'll have to be patient at the end of the day. You see, you say that Jesus is God. Yeah, typically, right now, it's not time for us to get ahead of ourselves. It's time for us to, in my personal non-financial advice opinion, for me to start loading up. And as you know, I'm looking for 100,000 AMP token. That will be great. And give you one of the good news that we have right now. Take a look at the Twitter today. Well, it was back in August 2nd, which is yesterday. AMP is coming to the cross-chain lending protocol with Flux, 01 Flux. So AMP token will be available on Flux Friday, August 6th. So what is Flux? Yeah, I had to research for you. So Flux is a borderless lending protocol with low transaction fees and cross-chain interoperability. That's a good word to say. So that is Flux. It's happening on Friday, August 6th, this Friday. So it's not as huge as Binance.us, I guess. Of course, nowhere compared to Coinbase.com, but it's just more add-ons that we have on the AMP token network. Absolutely. And there's also one thing that I want to mention, guys, that I don't really talk too much about, but it's pretty important. Flexa, which I think I'm gonna be starting to talk a little bit more about Flexa because without Flexa, AMP token is worthless. You hear what I'm saying? Without Flexa, AMP token does not work, because Flexa is what really it's what's keeping AMP token alive at this point, which is fine because they created AMP token. Now, look at this. For Flexa, we have Speedin. If you haven't downloaded the app from the App Store, you can, and you can actually pay with cryptocurrencies at some of your favorite stores. That's pretty cool. I've heard from the AMP token official group on Facebook that they go sometimes to Lowe's, they go to supermarkets or so, Home Depot or whatever, and they pay with with Speedin. So that's cool. So I have Gemini. Let's say if you don't have Gemini, well, check the link down below and start your Gemini journey. Use my link so you and I get free Bitcoin money. That'll be cool. Curtis, how you doing, buddy? I'm at 50K, so halfway there. Hey, Cook, we got both of us. We have a good close, to the balance in AMP token. That's pretty much it. I'm halfway there too, buddy. I want to get 100K and just sit back, relax, and don't worry much about AMP token. Not really rushing getting 100,000 AMP tokens or so. I know we have great people in the chat that have so many AMP tokens, like PSM King, 1.6 million AMP token. I think that's to really applaud you, PSM King, if you're still watching, because I mean, at that level, you're putting more than $50,000 in one cryptocurrency. By my own definition, that's a lot of money. But of course, if you're worth $250,000, I guess that's fine. But for most of us, that's a long shot, right? Wood69, have the like button. Thank you so very much. Please go ahead, like, subscribe, guys. Turn on those notification bells. So, talking about Flexa, guys, look at this. BRB is coming soon. CoinList is coming soon. CoinMe, which can they choose a more unique name, right? Dharma is coming soon. Shapeshift is coming soon. Ballora is coming soon. Sengo is coming soon. All of this, because look, CoinList buy and sell digital assets. Shapeshift buy and sell digital assets. Sengo buy digital assets. Dharma these all remind me to Gemini. So Gemini is a broker, right, that we all use, most of us use, but actually most of the people use Coinbase, actually. Not many use Gemini, which is fine. But these are all, to me, brokers that I think are targeted for different demographics. Look at this. This is BRB. We believe in the BRB is open source. We believe in trust through transparency or cold wallets. Just take a look at this, guys. That's insane. So more wallets coming to the market through Flexa. Guys, the future is bright for AMP token. And we have our first super chat, Thomas Gross. I'm at 3,000 now. Finally, thank you for all your content I watch every day. Thomas Gross, thank you so very much, my man. I appreciate the support. Awesome, buddy. Thank you. We're here most of the time talking about AMP token, crypto, Roth IRA, and stocks. Any questions? Of course, let me know. Giovanni, what's up, Giovanni? Good to see you, buddy. Hey, PSM Kim, you're still here. Awesome. So yeah, like I'm saying, King, you're really putting the work out there for us, man. And I'm sure you're staking. I'm sure you're really doing the best you can. And look, for those who have more than 1 million, because I've asked you guys in some of my polls, how many AMP tokens do you have? And most of the people, let's go actually to the polls that are here. I'm gonna go to my latest poll in a minute, but I ask you, how many AMP tokens would you like to own? And the majority said, like my range, 100,000 or so, or less. I think that's enough for me. Maybe for other people, they want to reach 1 million, some of them, which is great. Adding more to their portfolio, and as many as possible, 23%. But take a look at this. Let me find this. Here it is. How many AMP tokens do you own? And the majority said 10,000 AMP tokens, but there's some people who have 13% said more than 100,000 tokens. So, guys, BRB is coming, which is the first mobile wallet, the best mobile wallet. It's another wallet to my case. I think a great wallet is Coinbase, but so many more. CoinList. What is CoinList, guys? Let's go ahead and find CoinList, because this, what I'm showing you right now, guys, is going to help the Flexa Network. It's going to help Token. Understand that. Hector, what's up, buddy? I'm at 8,900. Token. Thanks for your content. Anytime, Hector. Thank you so much for showing up here, buddy. Appreciate it. CoinList. Buying Bitcoin is cool. You know what's cooler? Buying the next Bitcoin. So this, guys, is helped by Flexa. That is amazing. So learn more. So this one is common. CoinList. That is great. So why is this happening, everyone? Why are we seeing this? Well, you remember back in the day when Robinhood destroy most of the brokers? Because I remember watching a video from Andre, the crypto YouTuber as well, and he was saying how back in 2014, 2015, and that was super insane to know, brokers were charging $5 to make a to have what am I saying? To execute a trade. So if you wanted to buy Coke stock, Tesla stock, one share, that was $5. Now, if you want to sell it, that was $5. So the fee, it was $5, right? That's insane. Then Robinhood comes later on in 2017, and boom, free commissions, no worries. And a lot of people jumped to Robinhood and started, the next change in investing for millennials and Generation Z that we lived couple months ago. Now, of course, Robinhood is not the only one. There's a lot of stockbrokers out there. But when it comes to crypto, everyone, when it comes to cryptocurrencies, guess what's happening? This is happening. Gemini is great. It's available on iOS and Android. Coinbase is great, but there are way more that are coming to the market. And why did I say the Robinhood example? Because these all earn money, and they know that investing is just starting. It's just starting. Like the investing content that you see on YouTube, the investing on Dogecoin and Token and Bitcoin, they know it's barely starting at the market. I really haven't done the research. I think that's a good question for me. How much in billions it's the cryptocurrency market? Not the actual market, but the broker market. That will be great to know. Because all these companies helping the Flexa Network, they're gonna benefit from that, right? From customers like you and me. Because now you have options, guys. Now you have options. So when you have option, competition is key. And when there's competition, if you study business, prices go down. Okay, so BRB is a great place. It's a wallet. And what is this? CoinList, it's another place for you to buy, and it's another exchange. CoinList is where you get access to the best new tokens before they list on other exchanges. So it's like PancakeSwap or Uniswap, but powered by Flexa. Cool. I like that. So they all have a specific purpose, you see? Dharma. One in the world is Dharma. Like all these names, that's insane. Thomas, I meant 30,000. Antoine, do you think AMP will be the next Bitcoin? I don't think AMP will be the next Bitcoin, because AMP token, Bitcoin it's one thing, and AMP token is another thing, right? Bitcoin is a store of value, it's digital gold. AMP token, its purpose is to collateralize digital payments. They're not the same. They're not playing the same game, if I may say that. Okay. But good question, Antoine. Good question. Gonna go ahead and drink some more water. Delicious stuff. So you guys haven't done so, please go ahead, like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on those notification bells, everyone. Thank you very much. Honestly, what I'm doing right now with this Flexa with these Flex applications is so cool because we guys are learning. We are learning slowly but surely what the Flexa projects are all about. So I think it's pretty fun. It's pretty fun. So let's go ahead and continue. What is Dharma? The Ethereum wallet that connects to your bank. Take a look at that. That is Dharma. The Ethereum wallet that connects to your bank. And that's coming from the Flexa Network, guys. So it's going to help Token. You see, guys, what I'm saying? So what is this? From trading to yield. Dharma connects you to your bank account to the world of DeFi and Ethereum. Wow. Backed and trusted by the best. That is great. Guys, I haven't really heard from these projects, but they're all coming soon. Apps with Flexa. A whole ecosystem of apps use Flexa to enable instant, pure digital payments for their users. Everyone, if you're not staking your tokens, you're missing out. I really want to get my tokens all done and then stake because it's time. Sooner, no later than 2021, I think we're going to see a big boom with coins like Cardano and Token. And you got to be ready, everyone. You just got to be ready. You just got to be ready. Hi, man. Hey, buddy. Nice haircut. Thank you so very much, my man. Appreciate it. Queen's Finance. Hey, good to see you. What part of Texas are you at? South Texas, baby. South Texas. Dharma. Let's see. So Dharma, that was cool. Let's go ahead and shapeshift. What is this? Shapeshift decentralizes an unprecedented move by a veteran crypto leader. Brand. Wait, didn't Dharma cause all them people to get lost? What do you mean with that? Brand. Haven't heard of Dharma. I'm just kind of taking my first glance to all these applications. But if you know something, let me know. We want to know. So another cryptocurrency, I will say wallet, or what is this? Shapeshift. It's just more different things, right? 750 cryptocurrencies supported. Honestly, I trust this weird cryptocurrency places just because they're coming from Flexa. And you see, that is amazing. Because honestly, guys, to be completely transparent with you, I'm not, like, I don't know everything. But if there's an application like Flexa, if there's a company like Flexa who is putting their reputation and saying that all these applications are worth buying into or using them, I'm okay with that. But always do your research, please. Valora. This reminds me to Valorant, the video game. What is Valorant? I mean Valora. Now I'm saying crypto made easy. We believe that the assets in your digital wallet should be easy to use. The cash in your pocket. We built a mobile first wallet that makes sending. Okay, another crypto wallet, I guess. Yeah. Global payments arrive in seconds. Shop by the brands you love. Use Valorant to buy gift cards for major retailer services subscriptions around the world. So you see, guys, cryptocurrency is going to be embedded, intertwined. That's a good word that I always like to use when the opportunity presents. Intertwined. Cryptocurrency is going to be intertwined everywhere. And you and I, my friend, who are watching this crazy weirdo haircut looking guy, you're early, my man. And women, you guys are early. We're doing something good for us in the future, and just put yourself in the best position possible. Put yourself in the best position possible, and that's it. And I think I'm missing Sengo coming soon. What in the world is Sengo? Like, can they have a little more unique names? What is this? Crypto is now Zen. Buy, sell, trade, and earn cryptocurrencies with mind betting, simplicity, and safety. Wow. Okay, so guys, I just review slowly but surely about 7 applications that are here on Flexa Network. These are apps with Flexa. These applications help Flexa. You go to Flexa Network, you go features, and you pretty much go everywhere here, right? Resources, and you have all these integrations and currencies. And the main reason what I'm talking about Flexa right now, which in a way, if you're an app token investor, this is gonna help you. You are probably gonna like this, right? This is pretty much saying that the future is bright for the capacity. It's all about the capacity. Let's go back to the capacity right now, guys, so you understand a little bit better. Here it is, 1.4 billion. There you go. So it was at 1.7 when the price was like at 8-9 cents. Now it's at 6 cents or so. It's 1.4 and it's coming back. It's coming back up pretty soon. But that's what it is. That's cool. Slowly but surely. And I've also, I always like to see when people go and find different cryptocurrencies, and when they reach AMP token, they're like, wow, what a nice cryptocurrency. And they deploy thousands upon thousands of dollars in AMP token because they finally found a great cryptocurrency. And to actually be more transparent with you guys, I've seen a lot of cryptocurrencies out there. A lot of people recommend me cryptocurrencies and so, but if there's one thing I've learned in my life is, if one thing is working, don't fix it. If I like AMP token, I probably will continue talking about it and, having some opinions in a couple other ones. But I just like AMP token. What can I say? I think once I finish my positions, the future is gonna be bright, and we'll continue seeing the application made by Flexa in our day-to-day basis. And you will know, if you're staking your AMP tokens, that all those transactions are being held protected by the collateralized digital token that you and I know as AMP token, baby. There you go. Jesus is God. My goal is 50,000 AMP. Can't stay broke. There you go, everyone. AMP deep dive. There you go. Yeah, absolutely would. It's just kind of like a deep dive of AMP. We're going from all fronts. Now we know that it's going to be open on Flux. And I did not mention Flux, but now I'm going to be talking about Flux because this is happening Friday, August 6th. So probably tomorrow's video is going to be about this. So you guys are getting the insights for tomorrow's video. So we'll be talking about AMP token on Flux lending protocol. And what in the world is Flux? We already reviewed that it's this borderless lending protocol with low transaction fees, and they do have some followers, but not really that many. And by looking at this, you can stake, you can check the markets, you can lend. So they lend you cryptocurrencies. If you're into that, here's the APY, and they lend you cryptocurrencies. I really do not advise a lot of people, or myself, I don't really do it, not even with margin, with stocks, to borrow money. I think that's not a good investing strategy if you don't know what you're doing, borrowing money, right? So, but have you ever borrowed money to invest? Let me know in the comments right now. Hey, what's up? I prefer a Hellcat over the Lambo. There you go. I like a Rolls Royce. I'm a classy guy. Love your positive vibe. Hey, Richard, thank you so very much. I'm actually Richard. I'm not really trying to pump AMP token because, like, I often say in my comments, because you should see my comments sometimes, like they want to destroy me, honestly. But anything that I say is never gonna move a needle in the AMP token price, and I'm very happy about that. And as always, this is not financial advice, guys. I'm not a financial advisor. I'm a guy who really likes investing, making money, and I share my thoughts with you. And I'm really happy that you learn and that you listen, and that we have a great conversation right here. That is all, everyone. Oscar Terrones, what up, Tocayo? It's a roller coaster of emotions that I have 70,000. I'm talking, it means every cent it goes 700 up or so. There you go, Tocayo. How's it going, buddy? Welcome to the chat. Great to see you, buddy. Nice. Gotta sleep before work. We'll watch the rest of this later. Peace. Take it easy, Cook. Thank you so much for watching. Appreciate it, buddy. Thank you. Oh, guys, there you go. What a nice one. If you're watching this video, guys, please go ahead, like, subscribe, and turn on those notification bells. Let's go ahead and continue reaching the skies and sharing the people about AMP token and crypto investing. That's amazing. Absolutely, man. Welcome. So that is Flux. It's cool. No, I don't think it's gonna make it like move so much. I'm talking right now. Let's go back to I'm gonna start closing all of this. Let's go back. I'm gonna close all of this. There you go. So yeah, we reviewed Flexa, and that's cool. I mean, I like it. The apps with Flexa, really excited. Just to know that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 apps are coming soon. That's refreshing. And this, guys, this is what's gonna keep the price of AMP token rising steadily. Not my videos, not any pump or dump vibes. Nope. This, guys, tangible projects like this, and using AMP token, using the network, letting the network grow, and people and using Flex and Gemini, stuff like that. Bam. That's what's really gonna keep the price of AMP token grow. And of course, if we in the middle of that of the growth, we get excellent companies like Amazon accepting Flex or so, well, believe me, I mean, we're gonna see a massive rise. But if not, steadily we're gonna get there. An update on the holders, guys. 33,000. Beautiful. We're still growing. That's insane. It's not stopping. And that's a great, I mean, that's, if not the most important indicator, I'm gonna tell you right now. Because just think about it. You're holding a coin, you're buying a cryptocurrency, and well, I mean, wouldn't you want to know if there's other crazy people buying the same thing that you're buying? You see what I'm saying? And just to tell you that the holders has increased ever since I opened this Etherscan. It's always going up. Sometimes it's coming flat or decreasing just by couple dozens, but typically it's going up very nicely, and this is pretty cool. Why is that? Well, everyone, because they understand and they don't want to miss out, right? We got to start grabbing, as a brand is saying. We got to start grabbing. Hey, Manny, what's up? Hey, please help. I'm a newbie. I just deposited $31. Saludos to Mexico, bro. Hey, buddy, welcome, buddy. Mexico here in the house. There you go, my man. Appreciate it. I have a lot of videos for you, Manny, in my gallery. Please go ahead and surf through some of them, but I can recommend you maybe do a browse of how to stake, how to buy AMP token for beginners, and just go wild with them. And AMP token millionaire, that's a good one. So for all my beginners, I do have videos for you. The one I made today, you will see AMP token staking versus trading. Watch that one. That's going to help you a lot. But welcome aboard. You are welcome here. And please let me know if you have any questions. Thank you very much. So the good news is that the holders are increasing. So to me, I mean, that's key. That's key. Like, for example, I've always watched when people compare the US dollar to a cryptocurrency, because the US dollar is like one of the most scams that are out there. Let me see if I can find a good picture for that. US dollar tokenomics. Here, let me see. Let me see if I can find one. Well, I think this kind of gives you the idea, right? You're watching at this image. Let me open it. Let me, bam. this gives you the idea, guys. The value of one Federal Reserve note in 1913. Just look at it, 1913, and then right now in 2000. This chart goes all the way to 2005, but I mean, you kind of have the idea, right? As we continue living the U.S. dollar, the beautiful U.S. dollar, there's more printed every single. I mean, I don't know if every single day, but every single month, yes. And the price is just going down, 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 down. So we don't have a choice to use the US dollar, right? I mean, that's what the government, I believe, wants us to believe or wants us to do. But we also have a choice of using our fiat money and converting our fiat money to cryptocurrency or to real estate or to gold or to, putting it in a fund or so. And the fact that we now have way more options, that's key. That's incredible. And yeah, don't forget about it. Don't forget about it, because the US dollar, guys, that precious Benjamin bill that you own, it's dying by the minute, and that really scares me a lot. That really scares me. AMP Nation, there you go. Cali, the people who sleep on AMP better think twice, because I had Polygon at 28 cents and AD at 57 cents, and I sure am not gonna miss out on AMP. Cali, welcome to the chat, my man. This is our talking community. We have just a great time talking about cryptocurrencies and any questions. And in this case, well, I'm talking is fun because, at this point in time, I'm going to go ahead and do a 1 month. Let's go ahead and see what's happening. The blue line that you're seeing right now, because I don't want you guys to get confused. The blue line was my support that I had ever since like 3 days ago, and we broke it today. The purple line that you're seeing is the 5 cents that we reached today. And I said days ago, which I'm gonna find it for you. I'm not bragging, but I'm just telling you because I kind of understand a little bit of what I'm talking. Let me find this video, guys. Here it is. 4 days ago. It's right here. 4 days ago. You can see it right here. I said 5 cent entry. And I have some comments, people saying that's not going to happen. I love my community. I love you guys because we have so many different opinions, and I love it. I mean, I want different opinions. That's the main, that's freedom of speech. But this video, 5 cent entry, got some heated comments there, and I'm like, hey, the way I see it, I think 5 cents will be a great price entry for me, but you guys do whatever you want. But I see 5 cents, right? So we talked a little bit about some other videos, and then right now, finally, today, we reach 5 beautiful cents, and we're scratching 5 cents again right now. So I'm telling you guys, there you go. Nation, there you go, guys. Absolutely. Go ahead and please do me a favor, guys. Go ahead and like this video, subscribe, and share this video maybe to a group chat, to a Facebook group, to a Reddit, whatever. Go ahead and spread it out if you guys want to do it, so hey, more people can listen to what we're saying, and in the future maybe more people can come and talk about I'm talking and any other cryptocurrencies. That'll be amazing. There you go. Hoping to see if yeah, that's also good. That's also really a good idea to see mid 5 cents. Mailu, where's the green polo shirt merch? I know, right? Let me go ahead and help you with that right here. For those who are interested, I have something for you. Just I do have the community, and the community is awesome. So, guys, we talk a lot about I'm talking, and we love it. So you want to support the channel, you want to support the cause, and continue learning all the updates you have on a daily basis. Well, first and foremost, you might want to grab some cool merch. The link is down below in the description, and you have the merch you want. I'll be adding way more merch, but this is what we have. Check the link down below and find your size. And today we got a new Patreon. So here's my Patreon link also down below. And the tier that I have for you is investor, and you got everything. You come and talk to me on Discord and ask me away anything. We got a cool community there, and we're there for you if you have any questions. So all the links are down below. Check them out. You guys are gonna love it. Awesome. There you go. Yeah, I oftentimes I post my videos there on the group. So I'm gonna go ahead and start cleaning this a little bit right now. I'm gonna go to my 1 minute, because I cannot do 1 second, because that's with the that's with the upgrade. All the seconds are restricted, so 1 minute is the quicker that I can do. So right now the price of token is coming up. Came back down a couple minutes ago. Right now it's coming up. So it's just, going back and forth, back and forth. That's pretty cool, guys. That's pretty cool, coming back and forth. Very good news, guys. Friday, August 6th. I'll be interested to see if we get to mid 6 cents or we keep dipping down. But honestly, I'm getting excited. I'm probably gonna start a small position right now on token. What do you guys think? Because 6 cents, like, the price was rejected twice here. You see the price. I'm gonna go ahead and draw this price right now. So twice price was rejected right here as a support. Didn't hit it, but it was kind of close, right? So there you go. If you're planning to start a position, don't put all your eggs in one basket, right? Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Hey, California, welcome. So what I have for you is the way I start my positions on token. I do it either on Coinbase Pro or Gemini Active Trader. So I'm gonna go ahead and see if I can get maybe 100 token right now on Coinbase Pro, because it's 6 cents, like, it's already down. But remember, my main stash, it's reserved for 5 cents, but I might as well get $100 right now. Why not? You see, that's the way I do it, and I always have peace of mind, because Gemini is awesome. There you go. Absolutely. The reason why I buy on Coinbase right now, because then I can transfer to my wallet, and then I'm gonna have all my money there set for staking purposes. Put 1K in this week. There you go. I'm hot now. So yeah, I mean, it's not a bad idea for me to probably start a position right now, because that will make sense. We already came back down. If I do the 1 month, we already came back down, guys. Less than a month ago, we were at 3 cents. So with the news that are gonna happen on Friday, I'll be very interested. But also, I mean, a difference of 0.005 cents or so is not gonna make much of a difference if you're buying $100, right? If you're putting $100,000 in token right now, then you might want to be a little bit careful, right? Because that's lots of money, and then for a small change in price, it means thousands of coins that are not gonna be yours, right? So in that case, yes. But in my case, I may start a position after the live stream, and yes, that'll be pretty fun. Guys. So just letting you know that I'm already thinking about buying some token right now. I do have some money put aside for this purpose. I want to hit that 100,000 mark, baby. Absolutely. Yeah, Ricky, you just bought $100 too. There you go. Reason why I cannot do it live is because I'll have to go to my Gemini Earn, and there's all my personal information. So you know what I'm saying, right? For that, I do have my tutorial, so you guys can watch and know if you want to do it through Gemini Active Trader. But I don't want to show my personal information on live stream. Why not? You know what I'm trying to say. There you go. Hey, official, what's up, buddy? Tony Moreno, ACH. Okay, guys, so I think it's time. Thank you, Tony. I think that comment, it's a great segue to our next topic that we have, which is the altcoins that are always putting in the comments, and you guys are showing it here right now. So it's time for us to take a look at some good altcoins that are going to be pretty cool. I'm going to be leaving my AMP token price right here for you guys, so you see it, because I know a lot of people want to see it. So there you go. I'm going to remove some of this because I don't want you guys to mess around or mess up. Oh, take a look at this, guys. This is cool. The year to date, the MACD, it's touching the signal. That means that it could come back down. That's cool. Just notice that. That's great. That's great. So that gives me a greater peace of mind that I could be waiting a little bit longer to see a lower price. That's cool. Because let me tell you, right now we already know this is going to happen. The AMP token on Flux lending protocol. And the news are not really pumping the price of AMP token, right? Like it did with Coinbase right here. Because the news happened, the rumor, right? Which in this case, this is not rumor because it's happening. It's not really pumping the price of AMP token. So tomorrow, Wednesday, my gut tells me the price could be lower. What do you guys think? My gut tells me the price of AMP token could be lower. So it's only $100 or $200 that I'm going to put in. So I better wait, right, guys? Better wait. Pedro Nieves, what's up, buddy? Hi, Oscar. And your take on AMP. I own AK. Thank you so much, Pedro. Appreciate it. Please go ahead, like, subscribe, and turn on those notification bells, everyone. Thank you very much, guys. We're just here having a great time talking about a cryptocurrency that we all like, and I think there's a future for it. We just went over before you guys got here in the live stream about the Flexa, the Flexa apps with Flexa, right? So just to give you an idea, everyone, let's say gold, right? What gives gold the value? Well, it's a precious metal, but people use it for X amount of things, right? I'm not really going to get too specific in gold because I'm the least person to know about gold. But the idea with this example is Flexa Network and AMP token. The AMP token value, it comes not from me, not from any YouTuber, not from whatever we say. Absolutely not. And that's beautiful. Why? Because of this, guys. Because Dogecoin, guys. Because Dogecoin, okay? Dogecoin was a cryptocurrency that acted totally the opposite way. Dogecoin acted based on what the hype was saying, based on what Elon Musk was saying, based on what people always saying on TikTok, right? That was Dogecoin. AMP token is not. And that is one of the main reasons that people like the coin, right? Or the token in this case. Santa Fe Mike, welcome, buddy. So good to see you, buddy. Good evening, everyone. I have dry powder on deck and I'm ready to buy DIP 5 so I can load up more AMP. There you go, Santa Fe. Welcome aboard, buddy. Appreciate it. 100K club, coin. I'll be joining that club pretty soon, coin. Don't go away. Pedro Nieves, do you know that Coin Bureau said it'll never reach $1 because the market cap will be extremely high? Any thoughts on that prediction? Pedro Nieves, I've seen the video that Coin Bureau said. It's been very popular, which is great. I have to watch it and determine that. Well, that is why I'm putting the price of $1 in 2025, right? But him and I, we don't know exactly, if in the future things can change, and things can change a lot, especially if Bitcoin reaches new highs, because he might not be taking in consideration what Bitcoin could reach out, which is insane amounts in the upcoming future, and that to me will bring coins like Ethereum, Cardano, Algorand, and I'm token up. And in 5 years or 4 years from now, easily $50, absolutely. So we'll see what happens. But hey, thank you so much for your comment. That makes a lot that makes a lot of sense. Absolutely. Tony Moreno, ACH. So while you guys are looking at that, there you go. I'm gonna go ahead and check some of these cryptocurrencies while I respond to your comments as well. Alrighty, so SafeMoon, ACH. AMP will be used for collateral for all cryptocurrency. I wish, right? That would be awesome. So you guys are seeing that. That's pretty cool. Now, I'm going to my coin market cap here on my iPad. And let's go ahead and take a look at ACH. What in the world is that? Let's see. Okay, I got it right here. What is this? All right. ACH Alchemy Pay. That's the one you're referring. Alchemy Pay, ACH. Let's see. Okay. ACH is a blockchain project founded by a team of seasoned payments professionals. Okay. I'll have to take a look at that one as well. SafeMoon, John F. SafeMoon. I mean, when it comes to SafeMoon, like 3 months ago, I would have said garbage, right? But I know SafeMoon, it's working on things. SafeMoon is improving itself, so I'll have to take a look at SafeMoon as well right now as well. And AMP will blow up when spending crypto becomes normalized, but at the moment 99% aren't spending crypto. Sad but true. Jesus is God. Sad but true. That's the thing, guys. That's the thing. We are trying to predict the price based on the level of usage that we have right now. It's not going to happen. It's not going to happen. How many US people, how many population in the United States utilize cryptocurrency to pay? Not many people know about Speedin, which is an app of Flexa. You can pay with cryptocurrency. Like right now, the adoption is it's garbage. But later on, I think our kids will see it. Our kids will see it. Like I'm coming close to my 30s. I don't see cryptocurrencies being adopted really nicely by the end of my 30s. I mean, wait. Probably by the end of my 30s, we'll see something extremely nice because the US government is going to really regulate Bitcoin a lot, everyone. So just be ready for it. Eventually, it's going to happen. They want their take on cryptocurrencies. So that will also bring some prices down. And that will also be another reason why maybe app token will take longer to reach the goals that we want, right? Because it's not that the coins can reach the prices that we want. It's because all the external factors that affect that transition. That is why. That is why. Just grab 1,000 ACH for fun, LOL, a brand. And that's the beautiful thing about this. You guys do whatever you want with your money, guys. You guys do whatever you want with your money. Like right now, AMP token is looking nicely at 6 cents. You're seeing the green bar is the all-time high. The red one is the all-time low. It's right in the middle. It's right in the middle. The price of AMP token is right in the middle right now. So if you believe it, then you can see it. Like the quote, right? No, I mean, just saying. 3 cents AMP token. I'm one of those who thinks that I don't think so. Then If for you it's not much of a difference, 3 to 6 cents, then right now will be a great price. Excuse me. Oh boy. Some allergies after swimming. Just went swimming earlier today. And IMP is a 5-year minimum hold. So that's the definition of long-term hold, right? Cali, no cap, my little bro, a whale on SafeMoon Tech, his Doge. I'm missing Doge, but I'm not on AMP. There you go. Yeah, I mean, a lot of people miss on Dogecoin. I miss on Dogecoin. Because I mean, I'm coming from stocks and Roth IRA retirement background, guys, and we don't mess around with our money, right? But the cryptocurrencies like Cardano, I messed up Cardano so bad, guys. I don't want to talk about it because I thought that Cardano was a scam, but later on I was like, oh no, it's not a scam. But anyway, you guys say in the chat what cryptocurrencies you want me to review and speak about while we look at the price of AMP token do its things. We actually go ahead and take a look at the minute. So right now, this is what we're looking at, AMP token 1 minute chart. There you go. Nice. Oh, actually, I'm also gonna check this on AMP token. Yep. Okay. So the volume after a couple of days, not even a week, but it's less than 5% on Binance.US. That's cool. Coinbase exchange is really dominating based on my coin market cap, so it's not gonna be moving anytime soon. But Gemini came back from 12% to 9%. So there's a probability that Binance.US could come closer to that 6 to 7% volume. And that'll be something pretty cool to see. Nice Binance.US adoptions. Like we mentioned in some of my previous live stream, everyone. Robinhood and Binance International, that'll be some incredible launches for us to watch. Besides AMP token, which I agree with everything you and your honest opinions have stated, which other coin you hold that you have high expectations on? Pedro Nieves, thank you for that question, Pedro. Well, Cardano and Ethereum, those are the two that I'm banking on a lot of my money. I'm also putting money in Algorand. Algorand is one that I really want to see succeed. Is a network that targets the DeFi. So take a look at Algorand as well. Absolutely. Mana. Done a review on SafeMoon. I want to hear your thoughts about it. Of course. We'll do here it is. So well, just by looking at this chart that I have right now on my screen, well, on my iPad screen, the price of SafeMoon is to cry. It's really coming down hardly. And the all-time high is 0.00001399. First and foremost, on my opinion on SafeMoon, let me see. Max supply is NA. And the circulating supply is 585 trillion. Okay? So I would stay away as far as I can from SafeMoon just by looking at the tokenomics. I don't care if they have the greatest intentions ever in the world. The tokenomics scare me. That is my opinion on SafeMoon. And I know that probably, yes, AMP token went to 661. That's cool. It's coming back up. It's coming back up, AMP token. That's great. I know. I mean, people just want to become so rich overnight, with coins like this, like SafeMoon. But I just pass, hard pass. Yes, absolutely. Those are my opinions on SafeMoon. The tokenomics really are not for me. They may be for other people, but not for me. I think one of like the cheapest I will pay for a cryptocurrency will be something like Amp token, but not because it's relatively cheap. It's because of the project it's backing up. Got it? Golden cross on Amp. Look at this, guys. It's coming back up from that 5 cents up. So right here on this 5 cent price that we had, right here, this right here, came back up, came back down. So it's coming back up. If it comes back down again, well, that'll be a good signal, everyone. That'll be a pretty cool signal. One of you said Mana brand. Mana. What is Mana? Let's go ahead and check Mana. There it is. There it is. There you go. You're seeing that. Cool. Decentraland. Decentraland. What in the world is Decentraland? Okay, but looking at the chart of the price, again, had a peak, came back down, but it's not to the bottom, right? So that's cool. All-time high of $1, max supply of NA, total supply of 2.1 billion, circulating supply of 1.6. Okay, that's way better than SafeMoon, let me tell you. Decentraland. Decentraland defines itself as a virtual reality platform powered by the Ethereum blockchain that allows users to create, experience, and monetize the content and applications. Okay. Okay, I see. In this virtual world, users purchase plots of land that they can later navigate, build up, and monetize. Okay, yeah, I've heard something about Mana. Yeah, it's true. Where you can buy virtual plots of land and then you can do stuff with it. That's cool. So you guys like Decentraland. That's cool. So I think my first reactions are that it's better than SafeMoon just by the tokenomics. I like the tokenomics that are a little bit better. Oh, here it is. Let me see. Founders of Decentraland. Decentraland was co-founded by these people who have stepped down from major positions at the project, but okay. Okay. Well, just kind of by taking a look at this, guys, Decentraland Mana looks legit. Still will be a great opportunity for me to do more research on. So if you want to start a position on this because you are a fan of virtual reality platform that it's powered by the Ethereum blockchain, that's pretty cool. That's Mana. Thank you for bringing that up. Appreciate it. Sandbox. Oh yeah, I've heard of Sandbox before. Let's do Sandbox. Oh, here it is. Sandbox. Sandbox is on Gemini. So let's go ahead and take a look at Sandbox. The price of AMP token. You guys see this blue line? So that we can now take this one from support to resistance. It was my support, but now it became my resistance. So it's coming back down. If, guys, we see, I'm going to plot another one here. If we see the price of AMP token break this red line, I'll be so happy. I'll be so happy. Okay. So the SAN, what is the SAN? The SAN says Sandbox launched in 2011. based virtual world allowing users to create, build, and buy digital assets in the form of a game. Okay, so most of them are, like gaming cryptocurrencies. By combining the powers of decentralized autonomous organizations and non-fungible tokens NFTs, the sandbox creates a decentralized platform for thriving gaming community. I see. Okay. So who are the founders? Arthur Madrid behind the sandbox. Okay. All right. What makes Sandbox unique? The Sandbox is a unique platform because it introduces blockchain technology to the world of gaming. The gaming industry is a huge untapped market. Yes, it is when it comes to adoption blockchain. Okay. So let me see. What is the position of Sandbox? Let me see the tokenomics. Total supply, circular supply of mailing. Oh, that's cool. Okay. Okay, just by looking at the number 112, by looking at the at what I'm reading right now with with SAN, I like it. For some reason, I like it way better than Mana, but Mana is higher. It's ranked higher on Coin Market Cap, and because SAN, it's on Gemini. So that tells me they comply with more strict regulations and rules to be put on Gemini, because I remember seeing SAN on Gemini. So that's cool. I will take a look at SAN, guys. Thank you so much for bringing that up. Absolutely. Yeah, Mana is the same thing as Central. Yes, it is. Yes, it is. Yeah, the NFTs became so popular, right? In earlier this year, but then people forgot about them, and now they're coming back as tokens with gaming, with a gaming spin. So that's pretty cool. Oscar Tokayo, Oscar, SafeMoney is a project you put money into. You're not worried about losing. I own XRP and all the rest. Chip and SafeMoney are my risky plays that could be big. Absolutely, Oscar. I think you said it better than I said it. Absolutely. I personally wouldn't invest in projects like SafeMoney or Shiba Inu, but you guys do whatever you want with your money. That's the beauty of this country, and that's the beauty of your investings, right? You may lose your money, or you may hit the lottery and drive a Lambo earlier than us. But in our perspective, my perspective is, kind of to be a little bit more secure. But of course, you guys go wild. Now, I'm gonna say this, right? If Coinbase or Gemini or BlockFi or one of the main established brokers accept Shiba Inu or SafeMoon, then and just then that'll be a cool entry for me. And I know by then it will be so late because a lot of people already would have bought the cryptocurrency, but that's the way I am. Anchor is another one, and Anchor is another one that I also wanted to review because people were talking about Anchor a lot. Anchor, the price of ARM token doing well. So you see, guys, the price of ARM token, it's just bouncing around, but it's getting a nice consolidation in a couple of minutes, 15, 20 minutes. It's bouncing around. Just take a look at that candlestick. Nice. That's not a bullish that's not a bullish pattern, guys. That's, to me, it's a bearish pattern that is gonna come back down pretty soon. So pretty happy about that. So let's go ahead and do Anchor, number 90 on Coin Market Cap. So that's cool. Total supply 10 billion. I like that. Circulating supply 7.6. I like that. So Anchor is a solution that utilizes shared resources in order to provide easy and affordable blockchain node hosting solutions. This time. This term provides developers and provides blockchain. Okay. What makes Anchor unique? The Anchor network is created to provide a network blockchain solution that leverages idle computing power from devices and data centers as a whole. Okay. It's a platform that enables a sharing economy where any customer can access resources at a more affordable rate while also providing enterprise with the ability to monetize their spare. Oh, I get it. I get it. I get it. You know, guys, my brain is not that fast like yours. I get it. Okay, I see. Hey, that sounds interesting. That sounds interesting. Anchor sounds interesting. So it's used. I mean, because I want to know what's unique, right? So Anchor is created to provide a new blockchain solution that leverages idle computing. So if you have like an idle computer somewhere there, powered from devices and data centers worldwide. It is unique in the way that it is the first one to use trusted hardware, and such this ensures high level of security. So I'm sure that the Anchor has a network, and Anchor, has a huge big center and company, and the coin is Anchor, and in that way they contribute to the cause. Okay. Well, I'll be interested in Anchor, to be honest with you, because it's pretty cool. Okay. Thank you so much for bringing Anchor up to me. Honestly, guys, thank you so much. I know Anchor is also in Gemini, so that will be great for me to get some Anchor too. So Anchor and Sandbox, those are the two that I've liked so far. Great job. Hey Oscar, just turning in. Hello, do you think Amon's gonna go before we reverse? Hey Kevin, welcome to the chat. Well, I'm looking at high 5 cents right now. I'm looking at the price of token, Kevin, and I can tell you that it's bouncing from the low 6 cents to the high 5 cents. You're seeing on the screen right now the minute chart. We're seeing it. We're following the 1 minute chart right now, and oh boy, it's gonna be crossing this resistance level, so that's really good news. I advised a couple minutes earlier that you could buy like $100 of AM token. That's what I want to do, after the live stream. Just kind of buy and start some positions, because we know that I posted that earlier today, that on Friday we're gonna have Flux protocol adopting, the AM token, and I mean, those are good news, of course. So that's great. That's fantastic. Jesus is God. Anchors a good long-term hold. I do agree with that. I'll be looking at Anchor, absolutely, guys. I'm gonna go ahead and drink some more water. Time to review more coins. But I do like that the Anchor purpose to use idle computer power for the share economy. That's cool. That's really nice. If you guys are watching the live stream, please go ahead, like, subscribe, and turn on those notification bells. Thank you very much, everyone. If you want to support the channel as well, I highly suggest you checking the link down below for the merch store and grabbing some cool merch to represent AM token, cryptocurrencies, and the channel. And if you also want me to do the homework for you and tell you the great place privately and exclusively, then bam, you have my Patreon page linked down below. Read this, and if that makes sense to you, let me go ahead and help you out. I'll be there to help you at any time you want. And as well, here on the channel, guys, you can also join as a live stream VIP member, and when you will do that, you will support the channel, and I'll answer your questions first and foremost, super quickly, because you're a member, and I thank you for your support. Anchor, I got it when it went down to 6 cents. Cali Real Crypto, you did it. Yeah, I think Anchor is gonna be another one to watch, guys. Absolutely. And people were telling me about Anchor, but I was, kind of distracted. So Chainlink is it's a good one. I mean, I already know it's a good one because I believe it's the one from Oracle, right? Or like has some Oracle partnership or so. So, guys, look at this beauty. We passed this resistance. Nice, it's coming back up. Absolutely love it. I'm gonna zoom out a little bit more so you guys see. So on August 3rd, earlier today, this is what the price of AMP token has been doing. A nice, beautiful consolidation price right now. You guys are seeing on the screen right now. That's what's happening in the last couple of hours. Bam, you're seeing on the screen right now. So it's coming up, coming back, coming up, coming up, coming up, coming back. So right now, we expect a drop, right? We expect a drop of a couple of cents or so. So that'll be great to reach, this bottom of 5 cents. If it's not going down, I'm talking then get ready for lunch. Get ready for lunch. Well, so incredible, guys. So incredible. The coins that you guys mentioned were great. That was nice. And just by looking at what things are happening with the coin, with AMP token, pretty excited, guys, for what's coming up in the future and what's coming up for. Okay, let me see. Let me go back to 1 month. It's so incredible because there's just a small circle there representing what we were talking about. So it's insane how nitty gritty we can get with these predictions. That is awesome because if you take a look at the year-to-date view here on TradeView, it's nothing, guys. It's like nothing is moving. But once you take a look at the 1 minute, you can totally see how things are changing. I love it. I love it. But it's low 6 cents, guys, and my gut is telling me to wait a little bit more because I'm greedy. But I'll also tell you, dollar cost average, slowly but surely biting the cake. That'll be amazing. Anthony Oscar watched a video about AMP, and I said we should try to use AMP more. We should try to use AMP more, whether promoting it to companies or so as a payment, or it really won't go up. It's just been stake. Yes, Anthony. That's why you see this peak right here on the 26th of July. That was Amazon speculations adopting cryptocurrencies for payments in their ecosystem, and some speculations mention AMP token and Algorand, but that according to them wasn't true. So yeah, we're close to those partnerships. We'll just have to wait. Patience is key in this game. Derek, hey Oscar, glad to see you live. Thank you so much, Derek. Thank you so very much. Well, everyone, in all, I'm extremely happy we had a good time. We talked about Ethereum. How on Friday, August 5th, we're going to have the Ethereum upgrade. That'll be pretty cool to see, guys. So make sure you are ready for some Ethereum mania. It could come up, it could come down. I'll be taking a look and reporting to you. So I'm pretty happy for that. August 5th. It was supposed to be on August 4th, but it was late to August 5th. And Friday as well, we have the let me go back and see the Flux protocol accepting AMP token. So it's a place for you to lend or like borrow cryptocurrency and stake cryptocurrency. That'll be cool to see as well. As of now, the price of AMP token remains dropping from the macro view, but if we go to a more granular view, we start to see a small, even you can start to see here a green small candlestick booming up, right? That's pretty cool. John Fazan, Oscar in the house. There you go, buddy. Nice crown. I like the crown, buddy. Appreciate it so much. But yeah, I mean, guys, so just having fun, and I really like what's happening here. Tomorrow we'll talk more about the the Flux partnership, the Flux launch. If you go to the Twitter, you will see that that's happening. A beer from Austria. Nice. Thank you so much for watching. You are here and I appreciate that a lot. I'm going to go ahead and show you guys. So for those who are just joining in. So AMP will be available on Flux Lending Protocol Friday, August 6th. And the Ethereum upgrade is August 5th, number 5. So that will be Thursday then. So there's a lot of things happening in the cryptocurrency market right now. And there are so many others. So many cryptocurrencies out there right now, guys. If I go to CoinMarketCap and give you a tour, there's 11,000 cryptocurrencies. That's just mind-boggling. Like, that's insane. The global crypto market right now is 1.58 trillion. It's a percent down, decrease over the last day. The price of Bitcoin, Ethereum, over the last 7 days, decrease. The last 7 days, increase for Ethereum. Cardano doing very well. Cardano is doing very well lately. And if you wanted to know another coins that I really like, has to be Cardano. And XRP, people, once it's open, I also want to get my hands on XRP. I haven't really talked too much about XRP to you guys, but I can tell you that once it's open for trading, I'm going to get some XRP. Everywhere I look, people are talking about XRP. That's going to be the game changer. That is going to be the Bitcoin or so. So I want to be part of that and I want to learn more about that for sure. But if we continue scrolling down from the 30 rank we had back when it was at close to 9 cents due to the Amazon speculations, we dropped back to 42, which is fine. That makes sense. But it got away from the 5 cents. Now it's coming back up to 6+ cents. That's cool. I think it's time for me to start a small position and still wait for a more greedy entry point. But that's me. It always can change. But I'm happy that I show you guys that we really did got to 5 cents for a couple of minutes, but it happened. So I was right. I'm happy to be right as well. I just want to thank you guys so much for watching tonight's live stream. Please go ahead and grab some shirts if you like to join the cause. If you want to join the live stream Patreon as well, that'll be incredible. You have all the links down below. Remember that you can make a lot of money down there in the links for your free Bitcoin and stocks. That'll be incredible. And I just want to say thank you so very much for everyone who tuned in. You guys are insane. We're just reporting what we know about a coin and always learning. Always be learning. Kevin, welcome to the chat. Sorry to be a noob. Can quickly explain dollar cost averaging. Does just add more money to your portfolio, then you go and buy and buy, or does the money you put in does just buy when you post or something? So to explain dollar cost averaging, it's basically Kevin. As you see the price drop, let's say dollar cost averaging it's practice when you typically buy at the top, Kevin, and then you realize that instead of continue increasing, the price decreases in value, and you're like, oh no, what do I do? Do I just sell? Do I just panic and I don't know, do some dummy things? No. What we preach is, well, if you believe in the project, then it will be a good idea to continue dollar cost averaging with which it means you keep buying as the price reaches some good support levels. And that's it, because in the future, the price can do this, continue going up. But because you were dollar cost averaging, if you reach a point which it may not be the same point you bought your original cryptocurrencies, right? Because you were dollar cost averaging, once you're up, you probably will be broke even, and that will be a great exit for you to be out with no losses. So hopefully that explains, Kevin, what dollar cost averaging is. Yeah, I mean, I also want to have ADAs too, guys. I also want to have ADAs. But yeah, I mean, pretty excited. I'm also gonna go ahead and for those who are just coming in as maybe beginners or so. This is us, guys. Thank you so much for your support. That's insane. Oh, and we also have the millennial money. I forgot about the millennial money. That's true. Typically, I like to watch millennial money, but if you guys after this live stream want to continue your investing energy and learning, you might want to check out millennial money. I know they will never know me. I'm nobody to them, right? But I always like to hear from all these guys that are amazing at what they do. This is Jeremy. He is more towards stocks. He has a 15 to 20 million stock portfolio. This is Andre. He's the guy who I've been following ever since the beginning of 2021. And because of him, I opened my first account on Gemini. This is Graham Stephan. He is, a real estate great guy, stock guy, and he's the highest. He has the highest amount of subscribers out of all of them. And this, the one and only Meet Kevin, he is running for governor in the state of California, and he's an expert at trading and stocks. Out of the three. Andre is the one who knows more about cryptocurrencies, so that's the one I follow the most. But these guys are insane, honestly, and yeah, absolutely whales, absolutely. Brandon Payne with the super chat. Thank you so very much, Brandon. I appreciate it a lot for the support. Explain. We have. Let me go ahead and go back to. There you go, right here. We have double crypto users from 100 million to 200 million last 4 months. How are we down and not up since May? Crypto users. You mean crypto users for AMP token or crypto users in general? Just help me understand your question. But thank you so much, Brandon. I appreciate it a lot. Brandon Wells. I mean, whale dumping, that also helps the price come down. That's true. I'm gonna go back to my channel right here because I want to show you everyone. Community tab member here. So after 12 hours, 800 votes for those who are watching. We stake, guys. When it comes to cryptocurrencies, most of us, we stake. We buy for long term with high APY rewards and not sell. Total investors. Well, to answer your question, Brandon, we have to take a look at Bitcoin in this case, right? Bitcoin, as I explained in my previous videos, I'm going to do a little bit more of a deep dive here for you. And thanks for the super chat. Stock to flow model. Here we go. So you have a better idea of how this works. So we're adding more users, right? We're adding more crypto investors, but adding more crypto investors doesn't really, it does help the crypto price in general, but what we've been experiencing right now is the human factor effects as external force. With that, I mean the banning, the regulations, and the stopping of cryptocurrency usage, stuff like that. Right here, this Bitcoin stock to flow model predicts the price of Bitcoin as we continue moving on, right? The price right now is 30-something thousand, but at this time, this stock to flow model predicts that the price was 90K or so. So that's incredible. That's huge, right? So are we gonna get there? Well, basically, I'm following the model. We've been correct ever since the creation right here, or ever since 2010, with some huge spikes, way above the model. But now we're seeing some spikes negatively. So with that, I mean to be calm and patient. Even though we have way more millions of users, this is going to take many more years so people can understand what cryptocurrency is, because not many people know, and not many people know how to use it. Very good. Alrighty, everyone. So that's what I have for you today. I hope you guys enjoyed the live stream. We really went over a lot of things today, and I just want to say thank you guys for the super chats and thank you so much, guys, for the support. You guys who have all the links down below. If you want to continue, finding new ways of investing. If you want me to answer some personal questions, and as always, make sure you invest for the long term. I think with this question that we had right here, what is your crypto investing style? Going back to that, in my case, buying for the long term with high APY rewards, that'll be what I'll be most interested in. Because once you become an expert, I think you can also trade it. But to be completely honest with you guys, you really, that's going to take a little bit more time. And if you don't want to lose money along the way, then holding it will be the best option for you. You guys take care. Thank you so much for watching. As always, don't leave without giving and smashing that like button for the YouTube algorithm. And what else? Just had a great time today. Please be safe, and I'll see you next time, God willing, tomorrow with another video. It's gonna be massive because big updates are coming pretty soon. So let's see what happens. I'll see you guys next time, and thank you so much for watching and for their support. Peace. Thank you, guys. Take it easy. Good night, guys. Thank you. Have a good one. We need Richard Branson to buy Amber except for a right to space. Oh, my chat is so funny. I love you guys. Thank you so much. You guys take care. Have a good one, guys. Thank you. Leave a comment after this so I can continue supporting and answering your questions. Peace. Let's go. I'm talking. Let's go.